Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can understand by the title of my video, this is about a Color Protect shampoo, and as you know, my mom uses Color Protect shampoos, so I have again convinced her to tell me, answer my questions so that I could give you an honest review. This Color Protect shampoo is from Streaks Professional. So Streaks Professional Argan Secrets shampoo, Color Protect shampoo, it's written here. Okay, so my mom has been using this. I think she had used this 6 to 7 times, so that's quite a lot. I think that's enough for giving a good honest tried and tested review. Again, from a professional range, it's Streaks Professional, and it's not a drugstore retail one which you will just get it from any drugstore or any shop, local shop. You need to buy online. You can get it online or any salon. Salons sell this professional ranges, or you can just buy it online. It's available everywhere. Let's talk about the packaging. This is a 250 ml bottle and the cost is rupees 275 rupees. This opens as a flip top. Again, opens as a flip top, not a, this could have been that pump bottle is good, but again, it's flip top. It's okay, flip top is fine. It's travel friendly, you can carry it along with you. So the bottle is quite sleek. As you can see, it's quite sleek and it looks really good. Plastic bottle. Let me show you the color and consistency of this shampoo. So consistency is fine. It's not very runny, but yes, the color is a light pink. I know it's not visible, but the color is light pink. Kind of the dress I'm wearing today. That's a coincidence. Yeah, it's kind of this color, light pink color. You can understand by seeing the bottle, the inside of the bottle. See, it's light pink. Okay. The fragrance is really good. I mean, it's floral, very nice fragrance. I don't know, these Color Protect shampoos really have very nice fragrance. The last one I reviewed also had a very good smell. This also has a very nice fragrance, or all floral and all very nice fragrance. So this has argan oil in this. So argan oil is such a substance which will promote a healthy scalp, and this will moisturize your hair and it will protect your hair from all the damage that color does to your hair, and also styling and heat which does to your hair. So it will all protect your hair from those damages also. So argan oil is abundant in this product because this is Argan Secrets and it has argan oil and UV filter. It is enriched with argan oil, so that's a very good thing, and that will obviously be a good component for your hair care. This shampoo is again paraben free. It's mentioned in the bottle, it's paraben free. So you know what, this shampoo does that basic thing which it should do. It protects your hair color. So that's the basic property for which you're buying this. So it does a decent job of just protecting your hair color for color treated hair, and you can just follow up with a conditioner. What I liked most about this shampoo is that it makes your hair quite shiny and silky. So when my mom uses this, she really has I just noticed the difference because she has been using another Color Protect shampoo before this. So after she started using this shampoo, I noticed a change that she has shiny hair, much more shinier hair. That is a thing which you will achieve from this shampoo. I think that is for that argan oil which this has. It makes your hair shine. So that's really good. It makes your hair silky also. In my verdict, this is a decent product, and obviously there are other alternatives in the market which are much better than this, but this is decent. It claims it does. I think that is most important, that what it claims it does, and the brand is also fine and the price is also okay, so you can give it a try. If you are in a search of Color Protect shampoo, you can give this one a try. It's not extraordinary, but it's good. It is decent. You can give it a try. So that was my review about Streaks Professional Argan Secrets Color Protect shampoo. So if you have used this shampoo, do comment below and tell me all your experience about this, and I will mention all the ingredients and all in the description box below, so you can read that out if you want. I'll also provide the link from where you can buy this in the description box. You can check that out too. So that was my review. Thank you so much for watching the whole video, and yes, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.